Hi everyone, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today I'm showcasing the Calcini Sport Earbuds. They turn on immediately when you open it. There they go. Shows you the power level of the case as well. So now it's in pairing mode. The magnetism is pretty good. Putting them back in is pretty easy, as you saw. Here's actually what the headphone looks like, the earbud. They come with many ear tips. I've been using these for the last week or so. They pair quickly. I like the little nib up here. It fits in the ear like this, and it kind of sits sideways like that. This is touch sensitive right here. And it has a low latency game mode. And sounds like the bass boost is already part of the deal. So that's included with the listening type. There's the two connectors right there. This piece can come off. You just peel it off like that. So that's pretty simple. They last for about 8 hours. This is a new brand that you can find on Amazon. So about 8 hours and about 40 hours total with the charging case. You can use one or both of these ear pieces. So that's nice. As soon as you close it, it disconnects and starts charging the earbuds again. It actually charges from the side with USB-C, so I like to see that in low-cost earbuds. It doesn't have wireless charging, but the case is small, so I like that. And it's pretty easy to use. Just open it up, it automatically turns on, and it starts the pairing process right there. You can use this with iPhone, Android, Mac, and PC with Windows. And this is the Calcini Sport Sweat Pro 3 earbuds. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up.